then you will provide it. Now guys, how to install ADDS? So you will go to server manager. All the services will be installed from server manager. So how will you open the server manager? You will go to start and you will select this server manager option. Then you will select this option, add roles and features. So before installing the ADDS, okay, if you see here, if you go to tools, there is no Active Directory service available here. Okay, it is having like computer component services, computer management, disk cleanup. It doesn't have any Active Directory service. When you install the Active Directory, you will get all the services here. And guys, let us install this Active Directory. So you will select add roles and features. Then you will click next. And guys, here you have two options, role based or feature based installation. If you select this first option, it will install the roles on this current server. Let us say you have one more server like server 2 and you want to install ADDS on the remote server on the other server. You will select the second option, remote desktop services installation. If you select this option, which means you are not installing ADDS or any service on this local server, you are installing the service on the remote server. So guys, we are installing ADDS on the current server. We'll select the first option. We'll click next. Let me take you back. Yeah. Now guys, here you will verify the server name. Is it correct or not? Server -01 and IP address. Okay. If it is correct, you will click next. And if you want to make any changes, you will select this previous option and you will change the server name or IP address, and again you will proceed with the installation. So it is correct. We'll click next. Then guys, here you will see the multiple rows. So you will select Active Directory Domain Services, ADDS. When you select this option, it will ask you to add the features. When you add the features, this option will be selected. It is checked. Then we'll click next, 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 and we'll click install. So it is installing the Active Directory Domain Services. This is the role. Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes. Alright, so the service is installed. As we have discussed, to make this server domain controller, installing the service is not enough. We need to promote it to the domain controller. If you see here, promote this server to a domain.